I'm just gonna use socks, I guess. Otherwise, it's good. I like it. Hi everyone. Okay, so I ordered from Zalando worth 2,200 crowns. So, wala ko kabalo, I think kung sa peso, siguro mga 12,000 ang worth ani. Okay, so excited ko guys. Kung saang sulod ang akong box. Charan! So may ang sulod guys. Okay guys, so ang first na sulod kay medyas sa akong anak. Ikipolgi pa pa. So, what do you got? Need socks sa akong anak. Ayan. From Fila. Tapos, okay. Next guys is Nike.
Namin!
For Kaison. Let's open. No, wait.
Mama?
Go to Papa.
What is the question there? What is this? This is a toilet.
Okay. So this is wow. Guys, look at so cute. See? Look at that. Super cute. Ayan. I'll give you the details of this one on my bio guys. So, pwede nyo siyang bilhin. Okay. So, next. This one. Go to Papa.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, ang next guy is summer shoes. Kasi gikapoy lang ko sige og suot og sapatos day. So kailangan ako og dal shoes for school dahil summer. Okay. Let's open. Charan! Wow. Guys, good quality. Anna Field brand. Okay. So I'm going to use this for my school. Yeah, daily use. Okay, so last, the final, for the final pack. Okay. Guys, this is bag. I need bag, summer bag for my, I need summer bag for my school. So, let's see. This is pretty huge. So this is Guess bag. Yeah, Uptown Chic. This is super nice. Okay. Quality check. Very good quality from Guess. school. Look at that, guys. So pretty. I can wear like this. Like this. Pretty huge inside. And quality is super nice. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you like my little unboxing and social life. Please follow my Instagram. It's Mommy MJ. It's MJ Andressen. Thank you, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm size 38, guys. And my baby size 26. And same size 26. And of course, this is what I've been waiting for. Super nice, good quality. Okay, that's it, guys. Oh, I wanna try this. Das Fett zu büken. Ooh. It looks like big. Oh no, it looks big. But I'm just gonna use socks, I guess. Otherwise, it's good. I like it.